Today I want to show you this small puzzle from eBay. This is the Bluetooth receiver that is in the. This is the audio adapter, and there's a small instruction in English and Chinese, and this is a Bluetooth adapter. I've shown you in other video. I bought this one which is doing exactly the same thing. The difference between these two, the old one has the USB connector, and there's no internal batteries, so you have to connect this to the USB all the time to get the power. This one has internal rechargeable battery and can be charged with the cable, USB cable here, and you can run it without connecting to the USB power. Why I'm buying this again? Because this one was the volume comes out from this one is very low. You can see it in my video, and I hope I can get a better performance on this one. So let me give you a closer look of it here. This is the button which is used for pairing the Bluetooth, and here is the microphone, and on the other side here is the audio output, and here is the mini USB for charging the battery. Now I have fully charged this USB dongle via this cable here, and so it doesn't need to connect to the power like the previous one. And what I'm going to do is, this is the audio output, so I have to plug it here, and this is the input for the portable device, so I have to plug it here. I went through the instruction, but it wasn't very helpful. I tried Chinese and English, it was more confusing. The best way is, I think, just try it out and see. So I have to turn my receiver on and switch it to portable. And I think I need to hold the button for 1 second or so. Okay, now it starts flashing. So I think I need to pay it. So let's try it to. Yes, this is the one BT receiver. After trying many times, and I even rebooted my mobile phone, and I managed to get it connected. Now you can see there's a blue light is flashing, and for some reason the Bluetooth has the name just Bluetooth instead of BT receiver. Anyway, something is connected. Let me try to play some music. At the moment I can't hear anything. I forgot to turn my volume on the phone louder. I should turn to the normal volume. Okay. So I put it to 27. Yes. After a lot of trouble, it seems to be working now. Now I want to compare the volume of my two adapters. At the moment I set my receiver to -27, the output, and there's a media player output, and try to play it. So the output, I set it around here, and you can hear the output. Okay, now I'm going to change it to the old adapter. So this is the old adapter. It needs the power supply is connected to the USB here, and this is the audio output go to the portable input. And now I have to make sure that my Bluetooth is set to the right one. This is the old adapter. So it's connected. Let's play music. You can hardly see it. Now it's minus 14. You can hear around the same level as before. This one has a very soft output. One thing I want to try is whether I can use it while it's charging. So it looks like I can use it while it is charging, so it doesn't go to the Bluetooth pairing state. I am suspecting this adapter is only deliver mono output, and so I'm going to test it. I connect this to the headphones and will pair with my laptop. It's connected. Now I'm going to play the Windows test sound. So I put it on the camera. Maybe you can hear the difference. So this is the normal stereo output of the test sound. So now this is the last thing I want to test. This dongle is saying there's a microphone here, so I want to test whether this microphone is working. So I'm going to plug this here, connect it to my headphone. I'm not using the microphone of the headset. So then get it to pair stage. Now it's blinking and it's connected. Now I'm going to try the microphone here. So this is transmitting the audio signal from my phone to my headset. Now I'm going to use the voice recorder to test the microphone. And so let's start recording. Hello, hello. So I'm not too sure whether it's coming in this here or it's going through here. So just knock on the wood. Okay, stopped. And I'm going to, so I need to disconnect the Bluetooth first and then play the recording. So I'm not too sure whether it's coming in this here or it's going to here. So just knock on the wood. Okay, I think the microphone is working. Okay, the results of my test. This is my first one. I bought it and I quite like the idea using the USB plug into the power. I can use it constantly. There's an output here, no microphone. I don't need microphone. I don't only want to listen to music. But the only problem with this one is the volume is too low. So when I put it up, the background noise is too loud. So it's not usable. And the second one I bought, it doesn't have the volume problem, but the problem is I can't plug it to the USB power supply because then it go into the recharging mode. It won't be able to use during charging. It's not that what I want. So, and one more thing is the output is not stereo, although it's stated on eBay stereo audio transmitter. That's not true. The upside of this one is it has a microphone compared to this one, but I only want to play music. It's more important to get stereo without microphone. This one hasn't got the volume problem. Also, one more thing is I found out that the battery goes flat quickly. I charge it fully few days before I start doing the video and leave it there. And during my recording, the battery went flat, so I have to recharge it again. So I don't think I can use this. Basically, at the end of the day, I've got 2 dongles. I don't think I'm going to use any of them. But now I'm smarter than before. I hope you find this video useful. Thank you for watching. Bye!